Hi, welcome to another video, and today I'll be giving you 3 video marketing tips to help you boost your business in 2022. Number 1, know your audience. You must be completely clear about who your audience is and what they demand before producing a video. Make an effort to learn crucial information about your audience so you can develop a variety of strategies for your videos. The type of audience greatly influences your videos, and as a result of that, plays a significant part in developing an efficient video marketing approach. Number 2, make good use of social media. Using social media platform is a fantastic method to reach a larger audience. Putting your videos on social media will help you build momentum by encouraging viewers to interact with your videos and comment on them. Through social media platforms, you can connect with people who are fascinated in your videos and build a long-term relationship with them. And last on the list, focus on one social platform. Being widely known is a wonderful method of convincing your intended audience that you have a remarkable standing on social media. Having said that, concentrating on various social platforms would make you an expert in none. So all you have to do when starting out is to choose an ideal platform to devote your time based on your type of business, and if you've been doing it for a while, based on previous performance. So now that we've come to the end of this video, please do hit the like button and also subscribe if this is your first time. Hit that notification bell to get more notice on our daily content like this. So see you in the next video and have a great day.